Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Joe McClamrock with Pro Earth Landscaping in Greensboro Hardscapes. Today we are in the beautiful neighborhood of Air Harbor off of Lake Brent Road, and we've got a great hardscape to show you. It includes everything from a walkway to a patio and a gas fire pit. So come with me and let's take a look. So this side of the house was an unusable space, so we designed this walkway with Techo-Bloc borealis smoke pine for the edging. These are actually concrete that are made to look like wood. That is what's holding in everything and gives a nice finish. The pavers that we chose are the Techo-Bloc Eva in chestnut brown. They go really well with the Techo-Bloc borealis in the smoke pine for the border. It comes down approximately 70 feet and goes around into the backyard to the new hardscape. And as you come down the side walkway that we designed, come into the backyard to this beautiful backyard hardscape with artificial turf on the right and the left. This is virtually no maintenance, never have to mow it, weed eat it. And once you come off the walkway, you come into the main part of the patio, which is the Techo-Bloc Shale Gray Blue 60 paired with the Prescott Riviera gas fire pit. These fire pits are great for determining how large you want the flame to be. So let Pro Earth come out and make your backyard the favorite room of your house.